Hey guys, this is Shashwat. So if you have clicked on this video, most likely you are in the mid of your college journey or getting to start it in few days. For those who don't know me, I am a second year student here at Skiller School of Technology, Bangalore. And alongside that, I am the placement coordinator for my seniors batch, coordinating them with their internships in their third year of college. So technically, what I learned from my experience, कि even if the job description says freshers are welcome, the first thing they search on your resume is a good project and a prior experience of working in a good company. Yeah, you heard it right. Even freshers need experience nowadays, all thanks to Claude. But don't worry, I knew nothing about coding when I joined my college in my first year. And you know what? The most cool thing, I have started my college roughly around 22 months ago from now. Until then, I have done a total of 17 months of internship, including a Y Combinator backed company, small scale but active growth companies, and also a unicorn startup. Let's not mention the stipends here, but yeah, all were paid and up to a certain good amount. Anyways, so yaar dekho, if you scroll through LinkedIn and YouTube, you will find numerous videos of भैया एंड दीदी टेलिंग कि बेटा बस ये से कर लो फिर तो लाइफ सेट है, गूगल घर आके लेके जाएगा. However, that's not the real game is. तो अब मेन पॉइंट पे आते हैं. Technically, there's 5 major points or ethics I experienced through my journey that can definitely help you to land your first paid internship. And note, don't miss the 5th point. First of all, build an impression in college. अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि go and participate in random dance competitions or Mr. Mrs. Freshers in college to create impression. That would obviously not help you in your goal. What I mean is basically create an impression among your faculties, your friends, your seniors through your work projects. Connect with your faculties, talk with them regarding your goal, vision of if you have a project idea. Be polite to your seniors cause they are the ones who would have already cracked the hurdle you are into now. Like in my case, I have landed my first ever internship through one of the faculty members. He reached me out for his edtech startup he was building at that time. So yes bro, impression matters. Secondly, build a community of specific niche peoples. Like let's suppose if you are interested in competitive programming, find a group of people those are actually interested in the same niche and give contest with them. Or you can either join a club like CP Club, Robotics Club, Open Source Club, or basically whatever suits your interest better, because mahol or the environment matters. Thirdly, just don't reside in the learning loop. Participate in real hackathons, make real world impact projects, take help from AI. No one is restricting you. Just build something meaningful, real impact stuffs. Don't wait for the perfect movement. Don't wait for your curriculum to spoon feed you, cause that 100% ready moment would probably never come. Now fourthly, start showcasing who you are from day one, or even I would suggest from day 0, whatever it might be. Your first project, your first participation in a hackathon, a contest win, or even if nothing, post for how you landed up in your college. Basically, post anything about you. Make meaningful connections, text them on platforms like LinkedIn, क्योंकि यार देखो जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. And if you are new to it, go have a scroll down through my LinkedIn. The link is in description. And lastly but not the least, if I now assume that you have good projects on your resume, some good connections on your LinkedIn, and you finally have landed into an interview, now the real game starts. Sitting in there, always assume that the interviewer is looking for a prior experienced person. But there's a trick and it's quite personal to me. Don't leak it outside. यार देखो, I am a content creator myself. You know what I learned from it. Viewers जो देखना चाहते हैं उसको वही दिखाओ. And now we can easily tweak it like interviewer जो सुनना चाहता है उसको वही सुनाओ. So basically I am not saying you to fake anything. What I meant is like read and research thoroughly about the company and the job description before going to sit for the interview. Let's suppose the role is for an AI intern. Keep and mention the projects relevant to that only. If you don't have one, make one and then apply. So यार देखो, These are some tips that I realized through my journey. You can follow this obviously, and I bet you will get benefited. But still, I would suggest be drowned in the process, do what you love to do, and make your own tips and tricks that would benefit you the most. So, guys, best of luck for your first paid internship. Go and crack it.